Switch between gasoline, 4,750 surge watts, 3,800 running watt, and propane, 4,350 surge, 3,500 running. With the simple turn of the selection dial, voltage easily goes from 120V to 240V, perfect for transfer switches and emergency backup. Electric Start powers the 224 cubic centimeters 4-stroke OHV engine with the turn of a key. 4-gallon tank provides up to 11 hours of half-load runtime. Includes two 120V GFCI outlets, 5-20R, a 120V/240V NEMA 30A twist lock, L14-30R, a 12V DC cigarette lighter style plug, a bottle of oil, a wheel and handle kit, a 47-inch LPG connection hose, and a 2-year warranty. Now, with the WEN 4750W dual-fuel electric start generator, you'll be able to create power from 2 different sources. Simply select your preferred method, either gasoline or LPG, and power on the generator using the electric start. Propane provides the generator with 4,350 surge and 3,500 running watts, while gasoline creates up to 4,750 surge and 3,800 running watts. Our packed panel features two 120V GFCI outlets, 5-20R, a NEMA 30A twist lock, L14-30R, a 12V DC cigarette lighter style plug, and a voltage selector to switch between 120V and 240V depending on the task at. Customer ratings by feature: easy to assemble, 4.7 star, accuracy, 4.7 star, value for money, 4.4 star, maneuverability, 4.4 star,